This is example 3. So this time we're given two sides but no angles. So I'm going to try to find one of the angles. It doesn't matter where I start. I think I'll just start with angle B right here. And if I'm using angle B, I know the opposite and I know the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use sine of angle B equals the opposite, which is 2, over the hypotenuse, which is 4. So this is going to be a little different when we put this in your calculator, because this time the value isn't here, the unknown, it's actually the angle. So we're going to have to use inverse sine. So in my calculator, instead of just punching in sine, I'm going to type second sine. You can see how that little, the little negative one there at the top actually represents inverse. Sorry for the glare. Try to fix that. And then I was finding sine of 2 divided by 4. So I'm going to type in 2 divided by 4 equals. And we get 30 degrees. So the sine of angle B, so angle B is 30 degrees. Hey, that makes sense. We know that one, right? 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2, and we know that sine, when sine is 1/2 on the unit circle, it's 30 degrees. So I can find then this angle would be 60 degrees. Yours may not work out that good if it's not something on the unit circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and find side C. So if I know two sides and I'm trying to find the third side, I have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So this is side C. So I'm going to have 2 squared plus C squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So 4 plus C squared equals 16. So C squared equals 12. So C equals the square root of 12, which we can do that a couple different ways. This is the same thing as 4 times 3, so it would be 2 square roots of 3. Or we can just type it in the calculator, and I'm probably going to have you do that on the homework, just so all your answers will be in decimal form. So square root of 12 is 3.46. And that would make sense that it would be between 2 and 4, because 60 is between 30 and 90. So when you're having to find the angles, you have to use second cosine or second sine or second tangent.